Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your Pipedrive affiliate referral tracking beginner guide step by step clearly. To update your Pipedrive affiliate referral tracking, start by logging into your Pipedrive account. Navigate to the settings option located in the bottom left corner of your dashboard. In the settings menu, find the referrals section. Click on the referrals section to access your affiliate tracking options. Here, you'll see your current referral settings and data. To update your tracking information, locate the tracking link field. Input your new tracking link in this field. Next, look for the referral rates section. Review the current commission rates assigned to your referrals. If you want to adjust them, click on the corresponding field and enter your new rates. Once you've made your changes, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Click the Save button to apply your updates. Pipedrive will confirm that your changes have been successfully saved. To ensure that everything is set up correctly, test your new tracking link. Generate a test referral to check if the tracking is functioning as expected. Monitor your referral dashboard to see if the new data is appearing. That's it. Your Pipedrive affiliate referral tracking is now updated. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.